In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the BMW i8 emerged as a visionary masterpiece, a harmonious blend of performance, efficiency, and futuristic design. The i8 captured hearts and redefined the concept of luxury sports cars. Let's delve into the intricacies of this iconic vehicle. The i8's design is a testament to BMW's forward-thinking approach. Its striking silhouette, characterized by flowing lines and dramatic curves, is both aerodynamically efficient and visually captivating. The use of lightweight carbon fiber reinforces the car's commitment to performance and sustainability. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and modernity. Premium materials and cutting-edge technology create a sophisticated ambience. The driver-focused cockpit is a masterpiece of ergonomics, with intuitive controls and a clear layout. The i8's interior is a harmonious blend of form and function. The i8's powertrain is a marvel of engineering. A combination of a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and an electric motor delivers a unique driving experience. The car boasts impressive acceleration thanks to the instant torque provided by the electric motor. The handling is precise and agile, making the i8 a joy to drive on winding roads. The i8's plug-in hybrid system offers flexibility. In electric-only mode, the car glides silently through the city, emitting zero emissions. When more power is needed, the gasoline engine seamlessly kicks in. This combination of efficiency and performance sets the i8 apart. Additionally, the car's lightweight construction and aerodynamic design contribute to its exceptional fuel economy. The BMW i8 was a pioneer in the luxury hybrid segment. Its innovative design, efficient powertrain, and driving dynamics redefined the standards for sustainable performance. While production has ceased, its legacy lives on, inspiring future generations of electric vehicles.